In this video, we are going to talk about benefits of orange juice. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe, and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Here are 5 advantages of orange juice for health. Number 5. Fortifies our immune system. 100% orange juice contains a lot of vitamin C. It can strengthen our immune systems. It's critical to keep in mind that a single serving provides up to twice the amount of vitamin C that our bodies require each day. So in this instance, a moderate yet consistent consumption is ideal. Oranges are also well known for containing ascorbic acids, which is a part of collagen and aids in cell renewal and tissue growth in our bodies. Orange juice can aid in illness prevention and health maintenance thanks to these 2 components. Number 4. Improves digestive health. A regular digesting process depends on a healthy hydration intake. Oranges do, however, contain a lot of fiber in addition to providing water. 2/3 of the 3 grams of fiber included in a tiny orange are absorbed by our body tissue. The remainder remains in our digestive tract, where it serves as a stool cleaner. According to studies, orange juice consumption should be raised gradually rather than suddenly. A rise in fiber levels will result from this, which may cause diarrhea. Number 3. Lowers the risk of cancer. High vitamin C intakes haven't been shown to treat cancer, but they are being injected into patients with excellent outcomes in battling the condition. According to certain studies, vitamin C can lower the incidence of stomach, esophageal, and mouth cancer by up to 40%. Citrus fruits' preventive elements, including fiber, potassium, and flavonoids, are responsible for these advantages. Number 2. Protects the cardiovascular system. Oranges include folate and vitamin B9. By helping to produce red blood cells, they aid in blood circulation and purification. Blood pressure can be lowered and the inner lining of blood vessels can be improved by drinking 2 cups of 100% orange juice every day for a month. One of the many flavonoids found in oranges, hesperidin, is crucial for preserving a blood flow that is properly oxygenated. Number 1. Prevents kidney diseases. Oranges have significant levels of calcium and potassium, which can aid in kidney stone prevention. When oxalate particles stick to calcium particles, a painful kidney disease called nephrocalcinosis develops. Oxalate and calcium levels being out of balance is a common reason. It has been demonstrated that consuming enough calcium each day helps maintain a normal oxalate formation in the kidney and so prevent kidney stones. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.